Masaža, no? Za masažo, ta nož.
Leo, kaj se dogaja?
Ko še folk.
Ko še folk in dobrodošli v nov YouTube video vlog.
Danes je po moje najbolj random. Smo imeli plan iti trenirati v Maribor, ampak ker smo zvedeli, da nam ni toliko vredno iti v Maribor in smo pol rekli, dobro, kam bomo šli trenirati? Smo rekli, prvo, torej gremo ogromno v Ljubljano. Mi se začnemo voziti in pred izhodom, uniki veste, ko greš iz Kopra proti Ljubljani, imaš izhod za Trst in imaš pač naprej za Ljubljano. Stara cesta. In 100 metrov pred izhodom mi rečemo, ma ne, gremo mi v Rijeko, tukaj smo zdaj. Torej, v fitnes od AFBB Proja, od Hrvata Petra Kančirja, našega, če lahko tako rečem, prijatelja, ker smo ga že spoznali v živo. S katerim smo že trenirali, skratka.
Bomo videli, če bo danes v fitnesu. Jaz in Lea treniramo hrbet.
Mi treniramo hrbet, Ana trenira noge. Tako da čisto random pač se nam je sprdeno.
Gym roadtrip.
Tako, gym roadtrip.
Workout trip.
Workout trip, smo se usedli v avto, smo rekli, ja, jaz smo zdaj za pojesti obrok.
Jaz sem že pojedel.
Ker delamo to, kar ljubimo in ker se nam je sprdeno in gremo pač trenirati in tašni life. Tako je.
Šef, let's go. Začnemo pullover.
Ja.
Potem lahko gremo na to mašino leg pull down. Potem gremo JPG. In potem gremo še v mašino, ki je tipo iz od spodaj gor.
4 vaje.
4 vaje. Za lete in pol še 3 za bic.
Ok, alora jaz sem naredil za lete, če gremo 4 vaje.
Ja.
Bom jaz naredil na zadnjih 2-3.
Delo, ne?
Delo, ne.
Ok. Smo določili trening, smo tudi prišli. Leo, ti si lihkar pojedel, koliko časa ti bo rado, da prebaviš?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Pač ne vem, jaz lahko pojem ful hitro.
Jaz
lahko pojem in grem trenirati, takoj, easy.
Ok.
Zdaj mi gremo lepo noter, počasi se ustalimo, se usedemo.
Danes se nam ne mudi. Za začetek tega videa, folk, dajte spustiti en like, čim več lajkov, da ta video se tudi potem pokaže čim več ljudem. In gremo začeti s tem treningom.
2. Tor, vitalno. Porabi kot leokokol.
Ali?
Da vidim. Kaj? Ja, jaz sem zdaj s tem postavil za Instagram. Se pravi, ali leo 5, ali max 5, ali ipavec 5.
Nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. And a lot of times you have to learn to perform without motivation. You have to learn to perform without purpose. You have to learn to perform a lot of different things. And that's what people think. They think I need to have this motivation to work out, to study, to be better. So if they don't have it, they just don't fucking do it. And that's where you fail. You have to learn to train your mind well beyond motivation. If you have motivation, that's great. That's some kindling to the fire. All it takes is a little bit of fucking spark, you can burn the whole forest up. But motivation, you have to learn to exist without it. You have to learn to be, you have to be your best self when you're least motivated. And that's the tricky part about all that shit. Motivation is just a word. You have to have these different things in your mind on where you want to go and know that motivation is not going to get me there. Because I'm not going to always be motivated.
You said that discipline eats motivation for breakfast.
And discipline is good too. But without a clear headspace, there's no discipline. Discipline is great. Motivation is great. But if you can't fit shit in your brain because it's all fucking cluttered with shit, there's no discipline. You may have it sometimes when it fits in that crowded garage of your mind, but you don't have the consistency that you need to have with that discipline. Why can't I continue with this routine? Going to the gym, being better, waking up early, eating the right foods. It's because maybe it's your kids, maybe it's your wife, maybe it's your job, and it's all just stuck in your fucking brain. I can put discipline right there. I can put consistency right there. I can put all these things right there in that spot. So that's what I'm talking about. If your life is not organized, and your life being everything around you, because it takes one little fucked up piece of an outside interference to clutter your whole mind. And people don't get that. Your mind has to always be clear.
this? What if I'm just not able to handle this like you could?
It's hard, isn't it? The path that you've chosen. Despite carrying all that conflict within yourself, insist on pushing forward and fight, all so you can protect other people's lives.
Mr. Rosalie! You gotta run!
Decided to reject the very same values that shaped you into the shinobi you are today, and enter the battlefield where those values thrive. It must be painful.
It's okay to do things a little differently.
Goku.
Take care of that.
Uzui.
Miss Rosalie! It's a victory! Don't make me laugh! Sound breathing. First form.
To je živčen, ker meso ni zrezano. Kakšne imaš ti težave, da velike v življenju? Dobre je ta fitness, všeč nam je. Še posebej za kakšne noge, Sidex, Hack, Squat in Sidex Leg Press. Jaz pa folk 100 gramov cornflakesa in 2 merci riževih beljakovin z vodo. I am poor, I don't have for milk. Trening bil super, moramo priti še enkrat na noge, kot sem rekel. Se strinjaš?
Se strinjam, ja. V prostem času, ko ne osvajam maksa, tudi treniramo kdaj.
Za ta Balkan Gym Roadtrip spusti like, gremo prav da priti vsaj do 150 lajkov na tem YouTube videu. In če si prišel ali prišel do konca tega YouTube videa, dropaj v komentarje nek emoji, ki predstavlja roadtrip. V descriptionu imaš moj Instagram od Leonardija, tako da pejdi nas pofollowat, uporabljaj kodo max5, leo5.
In če hočeš biti tako nabit kot mi dva, se prijavi na Forme Future Coaching na 30-minutni zastonj posvetni klic.
Sploh ni bila reklama. To je to od mene in od Leonardija za ta YouTube video in se vidimo naslednjo sredo v 6. na YouTube videu.